Continue learning Rabeinu Yona's Sharei Teshuva apologies. We fell 2 days back. We pick it up from page 135 in the article Rabeinu Yona, which Rabeinu Yona is discussing one's reaction to Yisurim. Says Rabeinu Yona, "V'im lo yida lo yisboinen." And if a person does not think about it, he doesn't even realize that the reason things happen to him, the reason for Yisurim are because of his own chatav, his own aveiros. Rather, what does he say? He says like the Plishtim said in Shmuel Aleph, it wasn't his hand, it wasn't Hashem that afflicted us, Banu. Mikrahu, it was a mikra hu ayolanu. That's all it was. Bezois. Yekatzef alam l'nei Hashem. You know what that does? Rachmana litzlan. That makes Hashem even more angry. V'yigdal avoin. And you know what that does? Not only does that make Hashem a bit more angry, but v'yigdal avoin. The avera hakat hazois mechatas hakat rishoin. This makes it even worse than the original avera. So what is worse than the sin? What is worse is that when Hashem talks to us, when Hashem gives us the patch, instead of realizing it's Hashem's loving hand trying to direct us back, we say it's just a mikra. Then it makes Hashem more angry. We see this from the Psukim in Vayikra that it says regarding to the first group of those who do Aveira, if you don't listen, then I'll punish you more. Because of Achri Cain, and then what does it say? Alakata Acheres on his keres. What does it say about the next group? Then telchim me carry lo sevel lishma ali, and if you do it with me, but carry, you think it was just a mikra, you think it was just happenstance, and you don't listen to me, then Hashem will hit him even more. And Kikol Kata Achreina Parshas Kashim in Arishona, as if you look at the Psukim, the latter group is getting hit, is getting more punishment than the former group. So number one that we learned today is the critical importance to respond, to realize that everything that happens to us is Hashem talking to us. Continues Rabeinu Yona v'achri king kasav the psukim continue in detail v'meila lo sivas suru li, and if you, all of this you don't listen to me v'alachti mikari v'alachti avani imachem b'kari, says Hashem, you don't realize it's me, then I'll remove myself from you. V'achri king kasav v'mzeis lo sishmo li v'alachti mikari v'alachti imachem b'chamas kari. You perish v'alachti mikari, and what does it mean if one behaves towards Hashem b'kari? Ki semru mikra hu ayolanu. He says it was just a mikra, it was just a chance. So says Rabeinu Yona, Ve'im, continues on page 137. Ve'ma'ish amakir ma'badav. Now what happens if a person doesn't realize? He doesn't understand, he doesn't contemplate that he has done aveiros. Allah of the fish. So look at your actions, feel them out, investigate. How are you doing different things? And even if after all of this he turns a blind eye, misguided, foolish thoughts, and he doesn't recognize his way, and he's not aware of that which he's doing, he doesn't understand what his actions are. He says, I didn't sin. That avera is very severe. As the pasuk in Yirmiyah says, I'm going to judge him with you. Why? Because you said you're getting punished because you said you didn't sin. It says Yeshaya that it burned him from all around. He would not know it burned within him, but he didn't take it to heart. V'nemar yiveles adam to salif darka al Hashem yiza'af liboy. Shlomo Melech teaches us that his foolishness made him do things wrong. But even after he does it wrong, what happens? His heart still rages against Hashem. He doesn't realize it was his own maisim, and that can be even worse than the avera itself. Pick up from here, b'siyata dishmai.